A warm welcome to you all. Here I am, Ms. Gunjan Taneja, English teacher in Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur branch. A warm welcome to you all. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the learning with us. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, Christmas. This is the picture of Christmas as Christmas is arriving next month, and I hope everyone, whether a kid, an adult, or an old person, everyone likes the Christmas. Objectives of the lesson: to tell them about the festivals, to inculcate the habit of celebrating the festivals and values, culture, and heritage. Difficult words: eagerly, besabri se, full of keen desire, honor, samman, high respect, special, vishesh, not ordinary, gazetted, rajpatri, to announce, passion, junoon, powerful feeling. Eagerly, besabri se, when we wait for something, we have desire, honor, to give respect to someone special, like someone special is coming. My mother is cooking something special for me today, which is not ordinary, which is not found easily. Gazetted means to be declared by government. Passion, to do something with a great feeling, with positivity, enthusiasm. Christmas, the difficult words: worry, harmony, peace, occasion, decoration, honor, followers, unity. Christmas is one of the most popular festivals worldwide. It is celebrated on 25th December every year, but the celebrations start well in advance. It is celebrated in the honor of the Lord Jesus Christ as he was born on this day to Mother Mary. Christmas is the most popular festival which is celebrated worldwide. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. But people start preparing for it in advance. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Because on this day, Jesus Christ was born to Mother Mary. Mary, name of his mother. Jesus lived a moral life. He is symbol of love and peace. Jesus always lived a moral life. He always worked on moral principles like discipline, peace, honesty, helping others. So he's just a symbol of love and peace for everyone. The festival of Christmas unites the people and spreads the lesson of harmony to all. The Christmas unites everyone. Everyone comes together, celebrates the festival, and it spreads the lesson of harmony. Harmony means shanti, peace, happiness. Christmas is an occasion for the people to meet their loved ones and forget about their worries. This is the happiest day for everyone. Everyone, particularly children, eagerly wait for the festival as they receive lots of gifts, sweets, and surprises on this day. Everyone, whether it's children, everyone waits for the Christmas, but most of the time, children eagerly wait for the Christmas as they receive lots of gifts, sweets, and surprises. It is declared a gazetted holiday in India. People exchange sweets with each other, and the entire city gets illuminated with the star like lights. Every city, entire city, जगमगाने लगती है with the lights. Illuminated means जगमगाना. The one thing which is common everywhere is the decoration of Christmas. एक चीज जो बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है, that is decoration of Christmas. Christmas tree is decorated with lights, flowers, balloons, chocolates, and gifts. The bushy tree signifies the love between the bond between the Jesus Christ and his followers. Christian people start their Christmas day by attending the church, offer special service at the church, wear new clothes, spend time with friends, family, festive meals. Small children wait for Santa to bring loaded with gifts and chocolates. Several states in India, like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Assam, have most of the Christians. Majority of Christians live there. Christmas festival is increasing year by year, and everyone loves this festival, especially the kids. So we all know that everyone loves this festival. We celebrate this festival with great pomp and show. We receive a lot of gifts. We wait for Santa. I hope this year also we celebrate this by staying safe and at home only due to COVID. One more thing, just tell me your wishes, that what do you want this Christmas, okay? I hope you all enjoyed the video and understood the chapter. Thank you so much for watching.